Let's talk about Business Hours Autoresponder. This automation helps you professionally manage customer expectations by sending custom responses during and outside business hours, while efficiently routing conversations to your team. First, head over to Inbox, then Preferences, AI, Rules and Automation, and then Business Hours. Here you can set the business hours. You'll find fields for the name, description, time zone, and add business working hours defined Monday through Friday. You can also add holidays for specific days when your team isn't working. Once configured, click Confirm. Now, navigate to Workflows through the left panel. Under Template Flows, select Customer Service. You'll see all the pre-made flows for customer service. Choose the Business Hours Autoresponder and save it to your library to start customizing it. There are two views available, Linear View and Tree View. For this tutorial, we'll use the Tree View. This view visually maps out the flow structure, showing the trigger at the top, followed by an action that checks if the current time falls within business hours. Below that, conditionals determine what happens if the message is received inside or outside business hours. For outside business hours, the flow sends an email response to let the customer know they've reached you after hours. For within business hours, it notifies the customer that an agent will assist them shortly and assigns the ticket to an agent in Inbox. Let's configure the trigger first. Select one of the WhatsApp instances you have installed and click Save. Next, select the business hours you configured earlier for the action step that checks whether the current time is within those hours. Now, review the conditionals. Branch A, outside business hours. Customize the pre-filled message to match your brand voice. Branch B, within business hours. Customize the message to let customers know their inquiry has been received and an agent will respond shortly. Under the Assign to Agent action, you can prioritize assignment based on agent workload, activity status, specific tags, or teams. Once the flow completes, both branches terminate. When everything is configured, click Publish Draft to set your Business Hours Autoresponder live. And that's it. Your Business Hours Autoresponder is now ready to handle customer inquiries efficiently.